Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make fresh espresso coffee out of beans. First step, go to your DeLonghi ESAM3000 Magnifica super fully automatic espresso machine. Wow, this is a coffee maker. And for the first thing, we have to refill the water tank. Yeah. Pull out the water tank out of the appliance. Then you have to fill in, top up the water tank until you reach the maximum range with fresh, cold water. Yeah, this water is nice to make fresh coffee with your Magnifica super fully automatic espresso machine. Let's go back to the machine and push the water tank back in position. Only slide it in position. Now, water job is done, as you can see. Good job. Let's head up to step number 2. On the top side of your machine, there are two covers. The left cover is for the coffee beans, and the center cover is for the filter coffee. This is ready coffee. You can give it into the center of the machine, but only 1 cup. Now, let's open the coffee beans basket, as you can see. Yeah, slide it. Oh, yeah. Use a scissor for this and have a look for your fingers protected. Now, smell the freshness. Oh, delicious. Open the cover and then you can take the fresh, delicious coffee beans and dip them into the bean tank. Fill up the beans container with fresh coffee beans. Oh yeah, then you have to smell again on them because it's so nice. There, as you can see, is a grinding adjustment knob, but this knob you only need if it is necessary. In the normal way to use this machine, you do not have to rotate on this knob. So now close the cover and the machine is ready to use. Espresso has more caffeine per unit volume than most coffee beverages. But because the user serving size is much smaller, the total caffeine content is less than a mug of standard brewed coffee. Oh, that is enough to make your little wake up coffee in the morning or in the noon or in the afternoon or at the night, of course. And I will show you now how to make one little espresso cup with the DeLonghi coffee machine. First step. In my case, I am doing that. I place the cup under the spout, and then I push the power button, and after this the DeLonghi machine will make a washout with hot water, and this hot water is to clean the machine inside, and I am using this to clean the or not to clean because it's cleaned by the dishwasher machine. I will use this for heating up this small cup. But it's your decision to make a choice that you do not handle this like me, of course. You can, for example, use the hot water function too to warm up your cup for a hotter coffee. But I will perform this like this. Now dip the hot water in the drain and place the cup under the spouts and lower the spouts as near as possible to the cup. This makes a creamery coffee. Then there is one switch on the left side. This will set your volume of the coffee cup, and to make your espresso, set to number 2 or 3. If you place it in the middle or on the right side, it will dip in too much water, not water, too much coffee into your cup. Okay, now let's have a look on the right side. There is the switch to make super maximum coffee flavor on the right side, or to make medium in the middle or center, and on the left side it is for soft coffee. This is a strength. How strange it will be. Now let's perform a coffee. Press the LED with one cup, and then the machine will start immediately to make your fresh espresso cup. While the machine is making coffee, the delivery can be interrupted at any moment by pressing one of the 2 coffee buttons. And at the end of delivery, to increase the quantity of coffee in the cup, just press within 3 seconds one of the coffee buttons, and then you can make more, top up with a little bit. But this measuring is enough for me to have a delicious espresso. So easy it is to make fresh espresso with your Delonghi Magnifica. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time. Soon, delicious.